Kukunxunguphalo abo bebesebenza nomphathiswa wobambiswano ngolawulo Ntshona umfi uGordon Kegakilwe bakhumbule imisebenzi yale nkokheli iwileyo. iSACP imchaze umfi njengenkokheli ebizimisela ukusiphula nengcambu urhwaphilizo.
We are losing Comrade Gordon at a time when we have just received the report of the Auditor General. And in the last week we were working with him to generate a proposal for the alliance, which was going to look at the intervention. We had developed what we call a 4-stage intervention to normalize the situation in our municipalities. So in his memory, we are going to pursue the alliance to agree to that 4-stage intervention in our municipalities.
iSANCO ikhumbule inzame zakhe ekulweni nokunwenwa kwentsholongwane yecorona.
We have lost a soldier who has an unfinished story. We were looking forward to see him making sure that this pandemic, we flatten the curve in the Northwest Province so that all our people must be safe from this pandemic.
Umbutho weANC uthi uzaqaphela igama lakhe ngokuqinisa inzame zokulwa neCOVID-19.
Death has robbed the ANC and the people of the Northwest of a remarkable human being whose life was fundamentally committed to the service of his people. In his honor, the ANC will intensify the fight against COVID-19 and spare no effort in preserving human life.
Ukanti ngoku kuqhutywa inkqubo yokukhangela abantu abathe badibana nomfi.